Welcome to Sparks Toyota.
Here we have a 2015 Toyota Sienna XLE AAS. It has a clean one-owner Carfax and comes with power heated mirrors, roof rails, deep tinted glass, power sliding doors, and much more. 17-inch machine finished alloy wheels, all-season tires, fully automatic projector beam halogen daytime running headlamps with delay off, and a strong 6-cylinder with only 70,828 miles. The power liftgate, a hidden wiper, large LED brake lights, a spacious cargo area with a third row seat, and a comfortable second row with a video screen, headphones, and climate control. We can't forget about the power sunroof, the front row power heated leather bucket seating, cruise, dual zone auto climate, a locking glove box, a push button start, a garage door opener, a leather steering wheel with convenience controls, the multimedia and navigation touchscreen with a CD player, Bluetooth and voice recognition, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze.
Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.